Pedro's class. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lessons. Miss Polly had a dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I'll ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps into his doctor car, and drives straight to the playgroup. I've got a cough, says Pedro. When Dr. Brown Bear arrives, it's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear, but it may be catching, so we'll give you some medicine. Ugh, cries Pedro. It tastes like an old tube full of jam. So the sheep and Danny Dog start to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear. Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine. Ugh. It tastes of carpet-flavored yogurt, says Susie. Yuck, it tastes of flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? asked Peppa. I'm never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it is home time to the parents arrive to pick up their children. I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear come to look after us, says Danny. All the adults start to coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. It tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Who looks after you when you're ill? asks Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I'm never. Dr. Brown Bear has caught Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? gasps Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to the hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Susie has bought some medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavored carpet chew with flowery custard old socks. Soon, Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brown Bear.